We learned that any disturbance or vibration in the medium is transferred as a wave. Sound, in fact, is also a wave, and it's a longitudinal wave. In the second video, we also talked about boundary behavior in harmonics. There were some points to be remembered. If a wave on a string goes to another string with different thickness, it is reflected, or according to the situation, both inverted and reflected. The wave passing through a border is called the boundary behavior, and being reflected is called a reflection. Suppose you have a string held from both ends. It means that the string is fixed from both ends, and the wave traveling on the string is constantly reflected. This constant repeating pattern seems after a while like the wave itself is standing. That is why this is called a standing wave. The points which are not moving are called notes. The waves which are moving are called antinodes. According to the node and antinode number, waves have mode numbers. There are 3 possible modes. If you look closely enough, you can understand that the mode 1 has twice the wavelength of the string length. According to that, you can find formulas about wavelength and frequencies of standing wave modes. It's also important to understand this table. If you didn't get it well, you can watch part 2. In the end, you can figure out the frequency of the first mode. This is called fundamental frequency. It is also the lowest frequency any vibrating object can have. To represent this, we can use a violin. As you can see, both ends are closed. And if we consider the entire wavelength as a string, dividing it into half will produce the first harmonic. So it's... And putting your finger on the 2/3 of the string will produce an octave and a half higher sound. So this is a proof of a standing wave. If you look at the string closer, you can also see the waves that are being formed. And the same situation is also applicable for woodwind instruments. The only thing is the notes are in the end of open tubes, whereas in closed tubes they're in the middle. Can be also understood in this table. Also, clarinets are closed pipes, while flutes are open pipes. There are many pieces with harmonics inside, for example. And thanks for watching my video.